In a Bethlehem stable, the Savior of the world was born.
Thank you.
Where's the right, where's the left? Like that?
Your left. All right. Are you going next?
I always make it.
Ayun, cash prize. Yan, okay. Oh, the cash prize is... Okay. Please listen carefully. Alright, silent please. Alright? And listen carefully. This is the right-left Christmas game nativity story. Watch out for the word left and also right. Nowhere left for them to stay. Finally, someone offered to let them stay right in their stable.
Left, right.
Right na sinabi ko.